Good morning, my friends. Hi. So today my mom and I are gonna go to the Gucci store again and then go shopping for her anniversary gift for my dad. I typically have not been really into luxury shopping, or have I been like, ooh, your girl's shiny. Have I been luxury shopping a lot? Just because rather than going shopping, I much rather surf or go hiking nowadays. But my mom asked me to go with her, and so, yeah, we went last week because we wanted to see if we could return something, the bag. You'll see the videos. I'll link it up here or down in the description box. I don't know why I say I'll link it up here because I never do link it up here, but it'll be in the description box. But yeah, so we're gonna head to the Gucci store. I might try on the Loewe puzzle bag in the medium size because I am really eyeing like a super like low-key plain bag. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so shiny. I'm using like this, is anything coming out? Yeah, I'm using this SPF powder. I've talked about it before, but I like that it gives you a little bit of like coverage, a little bit, you know, with the powder, and then it gives you some SPF at the same time. I'm looking pale. Okay, but anyways, I'm just wearing a black blazer with a tank top, some gray shorts, Gucci bag, and then these Vivia shoes. Oh my gosh, I showed it to you guys before. I literally, I'm not touching the bottom, live in these shoes. They're like made out of recycled plastic bottles. You can machine wash them. I just push them down in the back, but honestly, I mean, I just love them, and they're so lightweight and they never stink because you can wash them. But I might change my shoes and then bring these extra shoes just in case. Better. Why does this house make me look pale? The lighting. Or am I pale, guys? I'm just used to being tan all the time. I wanted to pop in real quick. My mom's gonna be here any minute, but I'm wearing my David Yurman, some of my jewelry, because actually I'm gonna stop by the David Yurman store and look at a ring, a pearl ring. I just want to look at it because I've been looking at it for years. I'm probably not going to get it, but I also wanted to get my bracelets cleaned. So this is a citrine and amethyst one. This is garnet or something like that. And so I haven't cleaned these in a while. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like, you know how it gets that like dark tarnish on silver? And then there's some gold right here. But yeah, I definitely want to get these clean and then show you the difference of how clean it looks. Maybe you can't see how dirty it is right now. It's not that dirty, but a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. And
then this one was the other one
yeah.
on the photo. Now I maybe want to try on this one. It's the last one, so it's like,
Let's try this one. I like this one, but the only thing is it's kind of bulky, right?
Yeah. I don't know, because I'm so petite, yeah, so.
This one feels like maybe because my hips are. Oh, this is so cute. I like this one. I don't like it.
Yeah, me too.
This is so cute. Thank you. I'm gonna.
I'll be here to assist. So, of course, if you have any questions or anything, just feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to take care of it.
Thank you. Because I was. Oh no, I don't mind. I don't mind. I just didn't want you to think I was ignoring you or anything.
Okay, no, I appreciate it. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. What was your name?
Michael?
Michael? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll come and get you. Thank you. This is so cute. See, I was thinking about selling my that I don't know.
I think you sell most of them.
I did. I sold like pretty much most of it. I have a few more left. I think I want to sell too, and then maybe keep it very simple without like much, you know. I really like this size.
This is
I love the color, but I don't like the strap.
straps.
All right, so we are back home. After shopping, we ended up going to Atlee's school event to learn about Texas and all that. But yeah, my mom, oh God, I just went up the stairs. My mom ended up buying a purse. I'll let you guess which one it is. However, she couldn't take it home because the model that they gave my mom ended up having 2 loose strings. So basically, you know where the stripe is, like the green or red or the blue and red stripes, there was a big string coming off of the bag, and in the corners there was like a little like brown string coming out. Like she almost sold us this bag, and then I started looking at it because I always inspect bags before I buy it, and yeah, the string was coming out. So glad I looked. So she ended up getting it, and then once she gets it on Tuesday, we'll head back to the mall, and then so yeah, so when it arrives on Tuesday, then we'll end up going back. Oh yeah, then also David Yurman ended up, there's no more David Yurman store at La Cantera, so I wasn't able to clean my jewelry, but I'll just go when I go back to Maui, or maybe when I go to Austin, we'll see. But yeah, so that was pretty much it. I'm gonna sign off today and then finish off the vlog next week when we pick up the bag. This succulent my mom made for us. She got succulents and put it in this little bowl with some rocks, but I added a crystal. Isn't that so pretty? And then also she just gave me some of these just to add some like character to the house. That should get big soon. She gave me this pot, and basically she just cuts the roots of green onions when you buy them at the store, and you put them in the soil, and then they sprout new green onions, and you just put it outside and cut them off as they grow. And my mom says they grow pretty quickly too.